Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change brightness level on NUBIA Focus to Ultra 5G. So basically there's two options how to change your brightness level on your NUBIA Focus to Ultra 5G. The first option is by swiping down right here to quick settings panel, and here you can adjust your brightness manually. And for more options, the second option is opening your settings and go to display settings. And here you can adjust your brightness level manually or either turn on the automatic brightness, so your brightness level will adjust automatically to your environment and activities on your phone. So basically that's how you change brightness level on your NUBIA Focus to Ultra 5G. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.